The Subaru Forester is hiding 6 factory-built features so well concealed that most owners will spend years behind the wheel without discovering a single one. If you've spent good money on your Forester and assumed you're already getting everything it has to offer, you're about to find out how much paid-for capability has been sitting completely unused. Most people write the Forester off as a simple, dependable outdoor SUV, but buried inside this compact crossover is engineer-grade technology that most luxury brands charge thousands of dollars extra to provide. Number 6. Adventure-inspired Easter eggs. Hidden across the interior trim and glass of the Forester is a collection of physical design details that almost no owner ever finds. They serve no mechanical purpose, but they reveal how deliberately Subaru thinks about its buyers. Most people never feel like their car was designed with them specifically in mind. It becomes a reliable machine and nothing more. These Easter eggs are Subaru's answer to that gap, small, precise touches that reward the owners who actually pay attention. Hummingbirds and flocks of birds are etched into the corners of the windows and sunroof glass. The front door panels carry hiking boot prints pressed into the plastic trim. Rear door panels display paw prints, a direct nod to the dog owners who represent a large portion of the Forester's fan base. The cargo area carries the most targeted imagery, a telescope on the passenger side rear wheel well, a camp lantern on the driver's side, and a compass pointer on the inner hatch panel. Navigation, remote lighting, expedition readiness. Subaru is pointing directly at the kind of owner it's building for. Incorporating custom motifs into injection molded panels and laminated glass requires real tooling investment, which confirms these details were considered core to the Forester's identity from day one. Those Easter eggs are worth discovering, but the settings menu is hiding changes that are going to affect how you use this vehicle every single day, starting with something most owners configure once and never revisit. Number 5. Keyless settings. Most owners configure their keyless entry at setup and walk away from it permanently. The Forester is built for the ones who go back. Think about pulling into an unfamiliar parking area at night and watching all 4 doors unlock at once, or that confirmation chirp cutting through a quiet street at 6 a.m. Neither is a serious problem alone, but over months of ownership, that friction quietly shapes how a driver feels about a vehicle. That's exactly what the Forester's keyless customization menu is built to fix. Buried inside the Starlink settings tile is a suite most owners never find. The system is giving drivers the ability to configure access so that only the driver's door unlocks on the first approach, leaving the remaining 3 locked until a deliberate second press. The audible chirp is adjustable by volume or can be disabled entirely. Speed-based auto-locking is configurable as well. There's more depth in the same layer. The one-touch turn signal feature, 3 automatic blinks from a light tap of the stalk, can be switched off completely, returning full manual control to the driver. Equipped models are also giving drivers auto-tilt mirrors in reverse, pivoting the side mirrors toward the curb anytime reverse is selected. Eyesight alert volume is adjustable through the steering wheel controls, with 3 preset levels available without navigating the full menu. Those adjustments deliver real control over daily behavior, but there's a completely separate security layer hiding further back in the system, and outdoor-focused owners are going to wish they found it much sooner. Number 4. Key fob immobilization and access. A physical PIN code interface is built into the Forester, located somewhere almost nobody thinks to look. Anyone who surfs, swims, or runs trails faces the same dilemma when they park. Leaving the fob inside keeps it safe, but a break-in hands an intruder everything they need. Most manufacturers treat this as an unavoidable trade-off. That's the exact gap the Forester's fob immobilization system is built to close. Underneath the rear tailgate lid sits a small physical button, the keyless access PIN code interface. Programming a 5-digit code requires pressing the lock button on the fob once, then tapping the PIN button the number of times matching each digit, waiting for a confirming chirp after each entry. After the 5th digit, the sequence repeats once to confirm. The taillights blink to signal a successful save. The PIN also functions as a backup access point, but its deeper capability is immobilization. The driver manually engages the door latch, bypassing proximity detection, then holds both the lock button and trunk button simultaneously for 7 seconds until a long beep confirms. From that point, the ECU is ignoring the fob entirely. Breaking in and finding the key accomplishes nothing, and the engine won't start. Reactivation reverses the same steps. That system is purpose-built for outdoor use, but what's hiding in the cargo area is going to prevent a completely different kind of damage, and most owners only find out about it after the fact. Number 3. Advanced power tailgate settings. Anyone who parks in a low-clearance garage knows how this plays out. The gate swings up, the top edge inches toward the ceiling, and one hand moves to stop it before contact happens. That becomes the routine. It shouldn't be. That's what the Forester's memory height system is designed to eliminate. Setting it requires opening the gate, positioning it at the desired height, then pressing and holding the close button on the underside of the lift gate. Confirmation arrives as two beeps, short followed by long. Some trim levels add a secondary toggle near the steering column, allowing a quick switch between custom height and full open without erasing the saved setting. Inside the cargo hold, multiple organizational hooks are built into the walls, including one on the inner surface of the gate itself, suited for lighter bags or wet gear. These hooks carry a strict specification. A 6-pound maximum load limit applies to all of them. They're anchored into trim paneling, not structural framing, and overloading them risks shearing the plastic housing, damage that's typically outside warranty coverage. The cargo area has more depth than most owners realize, but the deepest thing hiding in this vehicle isn't physical at all, and it sits behind a button sequence most dealerships would prefer you never find. Number 2. In-car diagnostics. The Starlink infotainment system in the Forester is running 2 hidden diagnostic environments that no label, no settings tile, and no owner's manual is pointing toward. One of the most frustrating experiences in vehicle ownership is an intermittent fault that vanishes before it can be caught. The warning light appears once and clears. A service visit produces a clean OBD2 readout and no answers. Standard diagnostics were never built for event-level telemetry. That's the exact problem these hidden menus are built to solve. Both environments unlock through the same sequence, holding the home button while pressing the tune knob a specific number of times. 2 presses opens the factory settings menu. Audio verification, microphone checks, basic camera calibration. That's the shallow layer. 6 rapid presses, fast enough to bypass the 2-press threshold. Opens the dealer settings menu. At its center is the diagnostic recorder, logging time-stamped, module-level event telemetry and writing it directly to a standard USB drive plugged into the center console. The resulting file carries hexadecimal event codes and fault sequences showing exactly what happened before a failure registered, forensic detail that standard scan tools don't produce. For owners chasing electrical behavior that disappears before a technician can catch it, this changes the entire diagnostic conversation. That tool is genuinely powerful, but the most quietly effective hidden feature on this vehicle has been running every time the rear wiper was used, without one owner in 100 ever noticing. Number 1. Camera wash. The Forester is washing its own rearview camera lens, and most owners have been cleaning it by hand, unaware the system was already handling it. A dirty camera lens during a reversing maneuver isn't a minor inconvenience. It's reducing the driver's ability to detect obstacles at exactly the moment detection matters most. Nobody consistently steps out to wipe the lens before backing up. That's why Subaru built the solution directly into the Forester's existing washer architecture. In all BT generation Foresters, the rear camera lens is positioned to receive washer fluid at the same time as the rear window glass. The hatch design directs a focused stream across the lens anytime the rear washer activates. In current models, this is linked directly to the rear wiper and washer stalk, engage the fluid while in reverse, and the lens clears simultaneously with the glass. Earlier models required a specific fob button press while already in reverse, which is obscure enough that most owners never discovered it. The shift to wiper stalk integration came directly from real-world usage data. When the trigger was buried, the feature went unused, and when it became passive, it worked every time. A safety-critical component is now being maintained automatically through the same motion drivers are already using to keep the rear glass clear. The Subaru Forester is carrying far more beneath the surface than most owners ever find. Easter eggs in the cargo panels, a pin-based security system built for outdoor use, a tailgate with programmable height memory, keyless settings most people never configure, a dealer-grade diagnostic recorder hidden behind a 6-click sequence, and a camera that washes itself every time the rear wiper runs. Every one of these features shipped from the factory with specific intent, and most will go quietly unused by the owners who already paid for them. But Subaru isn't the only compact SUV with these kinds of secrets. Others have them too, including the Mazda CX-5, which you can check out in our next video. Famous for its mix of luxury and engaging driving experience, the CX-5 hides several amazing features that wait to be found by those willing to dig a little bit deeper.